Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. How's it going everyone? Okay, I hope you guys are doing great. Alright, so as you know, the big news, COE at 100k, 100,000 COE. So for those of you who aren't from Singapore, that is something you need before you can buy a car. Yep, and that costs 100,000. Yep, now. Yeah, so guys, okay, for today's episode guys, as you know, okay, I'll be doing some crazy stuff to the car again, because you know, with COE prices like that, you know, it's time to do some stuff to your car, you know, to make yourself feel like, you know, you're having a new car again and again. Yeah, so for today's episode guys, okay, we are going to be installing the ambient lighting. So for those of you who have seen my previous videos, okay, on ambient lighting, check out the link above, okay, where I just put in a strip of LED into the doors. Yep, and you know, it has a very nice effect on the door, okay, very smoothing, very nice. Yeah, but the thing is, there's only one color for the LED. It doesn't change any color and all this. Yeah, it is fixed. So for today's episode guys, we'll be changing the 9 colors ambient light LED strip. Alright, so I actually got this from AliExpress. Check out the links down below, okay, for the link for the product. Alright, if you want to install it to your car. And for today's episode, I'll be showing you how to install it. Alright, so I actually seen a few videos on this install, and it would take a couple of hours, at least 3 to 4, 5 hours even. Yeah, which requires the removing of the door panels, okay, and some of the carpet and the seats and all this. Alright, so for those of you who are new here guys, please like and subscribe. For those of you who have been here a while, subscribe. Yeah, because I need more subscribers guys. 6% of you guys out there are subscribers, 94% are just seeing the video and you know, like missing out, okay, on all the fun, okay, because if you subscribe and hit the notification button every single time, okay, there's a crazy video, there's a crazy upload, you guys will miss it. Alright, so guys, without further ado, we're gonna show you the installation and the after effects. Stay tuned, okay, till the end for the results of the whole mod. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so guys, okay, that's the end of the whole DIY. The whole project, okay, actually destroyed my fingers, my hands and all this. Yep, and okay, it actually took me a bit longer than 5 hours. Yep, I've been doing this for about 12 plus and now it's 5 plus. Yep, so the end result is actually fantastic. Yeah, I mean, it looks brilliant. It looks very OEM. Okay, it looks like it comes out from the factory, and I would say, you know, it is a mod that's definitely worth it. Yeah, and 5 hours of work, right? I believe you'll get it, you know, slightly shorter, you know, because I've been trying a bit of, you know, stuff to hook up the wires and pulling off the wires from the cable tie and all this, right, as you can see from the clip. Yep, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please smash the like button. If you need the services to get it installed, okay, check out my email down below, right? And I'm based in Singapore, so for those of you who are from other parts of the country, I'm so sorry I can't help you on that. Right, so all you local Singaporeans, okay, do contact me. Right, so guys, stay safe, stay healthy, happy modding your car. Right, and before we end this video, we will show you some night shots. Enjoy, guys.